RAM, or random access memory, is a crucial component of computer systems, acting as the short-term memory that allows for quick data access. It plays a vital role in multitasking and overall system performance, as it temporarily stores data for applications to access rapidly. When a computer is powered on, the operating system and essential applications are loaded into RAM, enabling the processor to operate efficiently. Unlike storage drives, RAM is volatile, meaning all data is lost when the device is turned off, which distinguishes it from permanent data storage solutions. To understand RAM's function, consider an analogy where the kitchen represents RAM, ingredients symbolize data, and the cooking process is the CPU. A larger kitchen allows for more simultaneous meal preparations, akin to managing multiple data processes in a computer. There are various types of RAM, with the most common being DRAM, which is essential for the effective operation of devices ranging from personal computers to servers. Understanding how RAM works is important for optimizing system performance, whether for casual use, gaming, or professional tasks.
Visit our website, prometeo.blog, to read the full article and many more. All our micro tutorials and comparisons can be read in Spanish and English. They have an integrated learning quiz, and you will have access to a ChatGPT teacher specialized in electronics, computer science, and artificial intelligence.